Welcome to Review the Best Buy, your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical Smart Swab, the perfect solution for indoor organization. There are many products available to choose from Smart Swab, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best Smart Swabs from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. HeaDot Ear Wax Removal with Smart Water Temperature. Water-powered ear cleaner with 6 tips. Introducing the HeaDot Ear Wax Removal Kit, the innovative solution for safe and effective ear cleaning. This water-powered ear cleaner features a dual-tank design for easy, mess-free cleaning. With 4 water pressure modes, normal, soft, strong, and pulse, you can choose the perfect intensity to ensure a thorough rinse while keeping your ear canal safe. The Smart Water Temperature Detection System ensures the ideal temperature for comfort and safety, with a green light indicating optimal conditions. The 6 included tips make it adaptable for the whole family. Simply add warm water close to body temperature and enjoy a soothing, gentle ear canal massage at home. Perfect for anyone looking to maintain ear health without the need for harsh cotton swabs. Experience a hassle-free, gentle ear cleaning routine with the HeaDot Ear Wax Removal, the future of ear hygiene. Number 2. Cowgic Upgraded Ear Wax Removal with one-piece waste tank. Safe ear cleaner with water temperature sensor. The Cowgic Upgraded Ear Wax Removal System offers an advanced and safe solution for ear cleaning, with several key features designed for convenience and comfort. This upgraded model boasts a semi-point model tank, allowing you to easily see the dirty water levels as you clean your ears. The innovative integrated waste and clean water tanks eliminate the hassle of separate tanks, making the process more streamlined. Overheat protection ensures safety with a smart temperature control system that uses color-coded lights to indicate when the water is at the ideal temperature. The unit is also IPX7 waterproof, allowing you to use it in the shower and rinse it for easy cleaning. With 4 water pressure settings, you can choose the best intensity for your needs, ensuring a comfortable and thorough ear cleaning experience. Upgrade your ear care routine with the Cowgic Ear Wax Removal Kit and enjoy the convenience of safer, smarter ear hygiene. Number 3. Bebird Earsight Plus Ear Wax Removal Tool with Flexible Ear Camera Otoscope Cleaning Kit for Family. The Bebird Earsight Plus Ear Wax Removal Tool is an innovative solution for safe and effective ear care for the whole family. Featuring a flexible silicone tube lens and a 3P precision lens, this tool provides clear, high-definition images of your ear canal, making ear cleaning safer and more comfortable. Ideal for both wet and dry earwax, it comes with 4 types of ear scoop tips, allowing you to clean, scoop, and scrape with ease. The tool also includes painless ear tweezers, perfect for gently removing stubborn wax without damaging the ear canal. Safety features like a safety stopper and precise scale ensure safe use for all ages, including children. Additionally, the illuminated Otoscope camera lets you monitor and inspect your ear canal, throat, teeth, and more. With a 1-year warranty, the Bebird Earwax Removal Kit is the ideal family-friendly tool for maintaining ear health and hygiene at home, saving you time and money on doctor visits. Number 4. Libertel Earwax Removal Electric Ear Cleaning Kit with light 4 pressure modes, safe and effective ear flush. The Lebbtl Ear Wax Removal Electric Cleaning Kit is a safe, effective, and convenient solution for ear care. This ear cleaning system offers 4 pressure modes: normal, soft, pulse, power, giving you customizable options to clean your ears comfortably. Equipped with 5 LED lights, it ensures a clear view of your ear canal, while the transparent baffle prevents water splashes for a mess-free experience. The ergonomic handle allows easy control of the water flow, and the 500 ml water bottle and gravity ball straw make it simple to clean your ears from any angle. For added safety and hygiene, the kit includes 2 soft silicone ear tips, which are easily replaceable to prevent cross-contamination. The Type-C charging port and 2,000 mAh battery provide up to 7 hours of continuous use on a single charge. Say goodbye to expensive doctor visits and enjoy a convenient ear cleaning experience at home with the Lebbtl Ear Wax Removal Kit. Number 5. BOCOOLIFE Electric Ear Wax Removal Kit. Water Flushing Irrigation System Ears Flush Cleaner. The BOCOOLIFE Electric Ear Wax Removal Kit offers an efficient and safe solution for ear cleaning. This water flushing irrigation system features 4 adjustable pressure levels: normal, soft, pulse, and strong, ranging from 4.5 to 31.5 psi, making it easy to remove earwax buildup and relieve clogged ears at home. With 4 LED lights and a magnifier, you can clearly observe the ear irrigation process, ensuring a safe and thorough cleaning experience. The premium soft ear irrigation tips are replaceable for better hygiene, and the 500 ml refillable water bottle provides 50% more liquid for ear irrigation than other models. The gravity ball-weighted straw lets you clean your ears from any angle, while the removable ear basin ensures a mess-free experience. This rechargeable kit is a cost-effective, convenient way to maintain ear health without the need for expensive doctor visits. The kit includes extra tips, a USB Type-C charging cord, and simple instructions for easy use. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.